Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try mushroom biryani. It was my cousin who asked me to try mushroom biryani and let him know how it comes out. So to start with, I've got mushrooms cut into small pieces, and then I've got lemon juice, 1 cup of curd, and chopped mint and coriander leaves. And we got in this I have bay leaves, cinnamon stick, star anise, cloves, and cardamom. And also I've got ginger garlic paste and onions, tomato, and green chili. I'm going to cook 2 cups of rice, so all my proportions are like accordingly I'm using. So to begin with, let's turn on the heat and adding oil now. And let's add our spices first. As I showed earlier, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, I got like 6 to 7 cloves, and 1 cardamom. Just saute it for a while. And let's add our green chilies and onion. Now we need to deep fry our onions until it turns brown in color. The onions have turned brown. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add curd. Now adding mint leaves and coriander leaves. I'm just keeping some for the final garnishing. Now I'm adding tomatoes. Now just wait until the tomatoes are cooked well. It might take like 5 to 7 minutes. So the tomatoes are cooked. Now I'm adding a little bit of turmeric and 1 spoon of chili powder. And now I'm adding salt and just mix it well and leave it like this for 2 more minutes before we add our mushrooms. Now I'm adding mushroom, spread it well. So now I'm adding lemon juice. Okay, so mix it well. We need to close it with the lid, and we can leave it like this for 5 to 7 minutes or until the mushrooms are cooked well. So the mushroom is cooked now, so I'm adding water to it now. So I'm going to cook 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 3 cups of water. Add it well. Now we can taste our gravy and see if we have to add some more salt or spice. We can do so. I just tasted it and looks the spice and salt level is perfect, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Now we can close it and wait until the water is boiled. So the water is boiled now. I'm going to add basmati rice. So I've soaked it in water for 45 minutes. And then just spread it. and I'm adding ghee. Mix it properly, and then we can close it with the lid on a medium flame. I'm going to leave it like this for 15 minutes, and then we will come and check whether the rice is cooked. 15 minutes, let's check how our biryani is doing. Oh wow, looks like the water is drained completely. So okay, we can close it, and I'm going to put it on a light flame for another 5 more minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the heat and leave our vessel untouched for 10 more minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, let's open it. Wow, looks good. Our biryani is ready. Ready to be served. So here's our mushroom biryani. Looks nice and good, and also the taste is very good. And thanks to my cousin for asking me to try cooking this wonderful dish. Enjoy. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Is it yummy?
It is yummy and delicious.
Wow.